Why are you crying? The one who should be crying is this llama because you ripped his ear off and the other one's almost coming off too. But he's still intact, just his ears. You only chewed off the ears. So, I know I said earlier in the week that I was gonna show you guys, can you sit? Stop coming towards me. I was gonna show you guys how we're taking care of Oshie's ears, or I'm taking care of Oshie's ears for this ear infection. So we're gonna go ahead, we gotta go outside for this first part, Oshie, but you want, Oshie, I'm gonna go show everybody how we're taking care of your ears. Let's go outside. Come on, let's go outside. All right, guys, so before I do the first step, I'll show you what he's taking. He is taking Momotavit. I think that's how you pronounce it, or Momotavit, I don't know. This is the drops that go in his ear twice a day, every 12 hours for 2 weeks. He's been a trooper with that, doesn't seem to mind it too much. And then the second part, this is twice a week for I think 2 weeks, and then it's once a week after that, weekly. And this is Oshie Soothe. It's got a cucumber melon scent, so it smells good on his ears. It looks like it's actually made by our own animal hospital, so I'm not sure if you can get this somewhere else, because that is the name of our animal hospital, Avocado Animal Hospital. But so this was what we're gonna do right now. We're outside to do it because just in case he's still got any junk in his ears, he's gonna shake after we do it. But we also need the cotton balls for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like, I guess head mount. Well, actually, you know what? I'll show you the process first. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab a cotton ball. We're gonna take this Oshie Soothe, right? I think that's loosened. And we're just gonna go ahead and make sure the cotton ball is nice and wet. Saturated with this stuff. It smells nice too. Once we're saturated, okay, we're gonna go ahead and slip this gently into his ear canal and massage it. And this is for both ears. So I'm gonna go ahead and head mount the GoPro, and hopefully the footage comes out decent and you guys can see what I'm doing. So I got my two cotton balls here, and you will notice if this camera angle is working attached to my head here that Oshie's ear is looking a little greasy. That is from the other drops that we put in his ear canal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna gently, I know you don't really like how that feels, it's cold, get that down into his ear canal like such. Go ahead and do this other ear. There you go, bud. I know. Not going too far, I just want to get it so that then we're gonna get under his ears. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I'm like down under his ear here, the front of his ear. We're there, and we're just gonna massage it for about a minute, okay? And what you're doing is massaging all that cleaning solution, the good smelling cleaning stuff, down into his ear canals. That way any leftover crap that's in there can get flushed out. And of course, he loves this part. You love having your ears massaged, huh? That's nice. That's nice, huh? All right, I think we're about at a minute. So we're gonna go ahead, pull these gross things out. All right, let me see. There's one, not looking too dirty. Hopefully you can still see what I'm doing. There is the other one. Not too bad, a little bit of yellow crap on there, but looking pretty good. So that's kind of the end of that process. What I'm gonna do is grab two more clean ones here, try and soak up any extra. Come here, bud. Soak up any extra stuff in there, because the next step is you're gonna wanna dry his ears out real good. So I'm gonna get the cotton ball in there, and you like that, huh, bud? Go ahead and dry out his ears. You can do both the medicine and this cleaning stuff on the same day, like I'm going to do, and you can do them in whatever order you want. However, if you do that other medicine first, you're going to want to do it at least an hour before you use the cleaner to flush his ears. That way it has some time to work. So you don't need to see the rest of me drying his ears, but that's what we're doing. We're going to dry his ears out, and then in a little while, we're going to let his ears dry out good. We're going to go ahead and put the medicine in there, and we'll show you how that's done too. Okay guys, we're back to do the other part of this. It's probably been about an hour. If I breathe a little bit hard in this video, I'm sorry. I got in a quick workout. And I'm also wearing, if you could see me now, I'm wearing a headlamp across my nose so it's not blocking the camera so we can get some light into Oshie's ears. Hopefully it's not too much light, but we're just gonna go with it. But we're gonna go ahead and do the Moment to Vet eardrops. You ready? Ready to do some eardrops? Let's turn this light on. Oops, that's the red light. Here we go, come here. Come here. All right, so his ears are pretty much dry. There's some of this down here is a little wet still, but all right, so these need to go right into his ear canal. So hopefully, let me see if I can adjust this real quick. All right, hopefully that's a decent view, but his ear canal is down in here. It's pretty easy to mistake the ear canal the first try because there's so many different crevices and things in the dog's ear, but it's all the way down front here. Again, I'm not sure if you can see this, but we're gonna get all the way down in there with these drops. So you ready, bud? We're gonna do 4 drops in each ear. And this one I do inside because I can use better lighting, and even if he shakes his ears, it's not a bunch of gunk coming out, it's just a little bit of medicine if anything. So that's 1, 2, 3. Again, I don't know if you can see this, guys. 4. Get down in that ear canal, huh, bud? All right, let's do the other one. Let me see. You're such a good boy. I don't really have any good advice for this because Oshie is just, we're so lucky with him. He's so chill about everything, and he doesn't mind it, and he doesn't mind his ears being touched. Again, I'm sorry if you can't see this. I don't know, I would suggest if you got a dog and he's got an ear infection, again, I'm not a vet or what do you call it? Not a nurse, but vet tech or anything. They might have better, sorry Osh, I'm trying to get your hair out the way here. They might have some better ideas, but maybe try a treat for your pet if they're not being cooperative. Maybe that'll make them be a little more willing to give this a try. Give that ear a shake, get that medicine down in there. His ears are looking really good. They're not really red anymore, nice and pink again. Sorry if you guys couldn't see any of that. I'm not sure, I can't see what the camera's doing. I just kind of angle it and hope it gets a good shot with the wide GoPro lens, but here you go. This is what I had on my head here, or sorry, across my nose. But yeah, that's kind of it. That's the routine. Ooh, look at you drooling. He was watching. I had this treat sitting on the over here while he was waiting. So, what do you think, Osh? You did a good job. You always do a good job. There you go. So I don't know. Maybe that helps some of you. You see, what the process is. Hopefully your dog's never got an ear infection. This was Oshie's first one, which is kind of a good thing considering he's got he's not as bad as like a basset hound or dogs with bigger flopper ears, but golden retrievers and labs can get ear infection quite often. This was the first one, so thanks for licking the sweat off my leg, Oshie. So maybe that helps some of you. You see the process. If you need to, or even just for cleaning the ears, if you get some cleaner using the cotton balls, I don't know, maybe it'll help you guys out. But that's how we're keeping this boy happy and healthy, right, bud? Getting rid of that ear infection, making you feel better. You ready for some dinner? What's on the menu for tonight? What's on the menu for tonight, dude? Salmon? You want some salmon? Here comes the roll. Oh, nope, just a stretch. All right, dude. Come say goodbye. Say bye, everybody. Say bye, everybody. Good boy. All right, we'll see you in the next one, guys.